Do all law of attraction believers end up manifesting their wealth? Do all law of attraction believers actually end up living a life that they've always dreamt and desired of? I actually know of so many people who've been saying or at least posting on social media that they really like law of attraction. They are like hardcore believers, but I don't see the quality of their life changing. Does law of attraction work for everybody? And if it doesn't, why is it that there are so many people who actually claim to believe in law of attraction but can't manage to manifest anything? If you've been wondering about any of these questions, you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to be talking to you about why do some people fail to manifest things using the law of attraction. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja and this is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated towards your money mindset, helping you to strengthen your money mindset, learn about money, grow your wealth, learn about investing, law of attraction, helping you clear your money blocks and anything to basically do with money. Everything that you should have been taught in school about money, which you were not. So that is why YouTube is now coming to your rescue. Or if you're watching this on any other social media platform, so be it. The idea is I want to help anybody and everybody to learn about how they can maximize their wealth and get financially free eventually. So if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I come up with a new video, and I come up with 10 new videos every month. So basically, if the date on your calendar is divisible by 3, you will find a video by me. And today we are talking about why is it that some people cannot manage to manifest anything or cannot end up using law of attraction to manifest the wealth or the success that they are looking for. The first and the biggest reason why most people who claim to be believers of the law of attraction and do not manage to manifest much is because their faith is missing. See, the law of attraction is primarily a philosophical concept. It's very, very, very logical when you understand it step by step. But at the same time, it's very philosophical because for many people, it may sound too good to be true. It's very simple because it talks about what you focus on expands and you can manifest whatever you focus on, but there is a proper process to it. So without understanding the entire process, if you just claim to want to manifest things because you desire them too much, it's not going to work. So their faith is quite dwindling. So if you don't have the right faith, if you don't approach this entire process with the right mindset, it's not going to help you. As a result of which, if somebody's faith is missing, their practice of the entire law is going to be pretty half-baked or maybe even intermittent. And tell me something, can you get absolutely healthy if you keep skipping your meals? Can you actually get fit if you don't exercise on regular basis? No, right? So if you actually, let's say, visualize on very haphazard manner, or if you journal but only when you feel like, what will happen is your faith and your belief and your process and your procedures and your routines of law of attraction will not sync together, as a result of which you will not match up with the frequency which will help you actually manifest your wealth and desires. As a result of which, many people don't want to take the whole process of learning the right process, investing the time, effort, energy to actually learn how to use law of attraction to their advantage in the right manner. They don't want to spend the time. They just want everything snappy. They want instant gratification, which is not possible. It takes time. And while you're investing your time, your effort, your energy, you will also realize that you will have to live your life exactly the way you are supposed to live your life, which means if you have a job, you're supposed to concentrate on your job. If you are a teacher, you're supposed to keep teaching people. If you are a homemaker, you have to take responsibility of your entire house. The idea is simple. You have to live your life the way you want to, the way you are meant to, and at the same time also keep practicing law of attraction by the side. Now what will happen is, if you don't end up doing what you're meant to do, if you don't end up doing what you're supposed to do, the entire frequency goes on a mismatch, because then it's as good as just you're sitting on the couch, this couch, and you are not doing anything that is meant to happen. So let's look at it from this perspective. For me to succeed as a money mindset coach, I have to do my bit for the YouTube. I have to do my bit for Instagram, which I'm going to start activating really soon. So if you're not following Paycheck to Profit on Instagram, please check the link in the description below and start following us on Instagram, because we're going to get active really soon, and you'll get more content of Paycheck to Profit on Instagram. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm also setting up my website. I'm done writing my book, which is going to get into publishing maybe by next week. So I have to keep doing things. If I just believe in law of attraction, and if I continue sitting on this lovely, beautiful couch that I have, the law is not going to work for me. I have to work for the law rather than the other way around. And the biggest reason why most people fail to manifest anything, forget wealth, I'm talking about health, relationships, better jobs, better quality of life, they fail to manifest that is primarily because they don't have gratitude for what they have today. If you are somebody who's watching this video on a broadband connection or on a Wi-Fi connection, or maybe even on your cellular connection, if you have a smartphone, if you understand the language in which I'm talking to you, if you are able to comprehend most of what I just told you in this video, do you understand you are better than 95% people on the planet? If not 95, maybe 90. If not 90, maybe 85, even 80. If you are in the top 20% of the world, but if you are focusing only on people who are ahead of you in the so-called race, you are not being gratuitous enough towards being better than other 79% people who are better in their own life in a completely different way, but they might not have the kind of resources, they might not have the kind of luxuries that you enjoy. So one very important aspect of law of attraction is, if you are not gratuitous enough, if you don't practice gratitude, if you don't feel thankful for whatever you have, it's only going to be more difficult for you to manifest what you need, what you desire, because the universe wants you to be thankful for whatever you've already received. So if you're somebody who's stuck in this entire gamut of not understanding what exactly you're supposed to do, how do you start making the law of attraction work for you, I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, because this entire month all my videos are going to be concentrating only on this topic of law of attraction. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please share this video with somebody who needs to understand about law of attraction. If you know somebody who keeps talking to you about, oh, I believe in law of attraction, but I can't manage to manifest anything, please share this video with them. If you are somebody who is not being able to manifest what you desire, write to me in the comments below, and maybe we can have a conversation about what can you do better and how can I help you. I hope this video has been good enough for you. Please take care of yourself. Please believe in the law. Please do whatever you can. If you have any questions in particular, we also have a Facebook group where we keep discussing about these topics. So if you want, find the link of that group in the description below. Join the group and ask me questions over there. I'm always open to answering questions on the group, on social media. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, anywhere. That's about it from me in today's video. Now I'll see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!